Fusion, integrating eternal truths with relevant issues.
Bobby Jones, by the age of 14, had won several golf tournaments and had many awards. But he had a real hard time with his temper. He had a mentor named Grandpa Bart that really told him, you know, son, you could be really great if you control your anger problem. Well, he did. And Grandpa Bart said that Bobby Jones mastered golf when he was 14, but then he mastered himself when he was 21. Proverbs 16, verse 32 says, better to be patient than powerful, better to have self-control than to conquer a city. Maybe you have unlimited potential in you, but you know that there's one or two things that are hooks and they keep pulling you back. Address those. And you know what? Putting your faith in God and prayer, that can actually help you tear down those things. I'm Matt Ward, and that's Fusion.
Fusion is an outreach of Charleston Pentecostal Church.